Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this lesson we are going to solve the reverse a string challenge from the FreeCodeCamp curriculum. Now if you are just here for the final solution, I will include a timestamp in the description below. Check out the timestamp and then jump to the final solution. But if you want to understand the problem and how we solved it, stick around. Let's get started. Okay, so the challenge is reverse a string and reverse the provided string and return the reversed string. For example, if you are given hello, you should return ole. Okay, so the way I like to go about it is to first try and solve it with pseudocode. Okay, so pseudocode is just trying to get a step-by-step in writing how you want to approach the problem, okay, before you actually start writing code. So I will open this tab here and say given a string, because that's what we'll be given, and I'll say split. Okay, so given a string, I want to split the string into an array, because that's how we can reverse it. So I want to split the string into an array of letters. Okay, and then the next thing we want to do after we splitted it into an array of letters is to reverse the array. Okay, there's a method we can use to reverse the items in the array. So reverse the array of letters. Okay, next up, after reversing it, we want to then join the letters in the array, because we don't want to return an array, we want to return a string. So by joining the letters in the array, we would have a string back. And then, so join the letters in array to form a string. And then what we'll do is return the resulting string. Okay, so that's how we're going to approach the problem. So now that we have our pseudocode or an approach, let's get to writing code. So back to FreeCodeCamp. So what I'll do here is I'll say let final string, because we want to be returning final string, and we want to say str.split. Okay, now I'll do a console log of final string so that you see what we are getting. So you see we have an array, but the array is just one item, and that one item is the whole of the string, which is hello. Now that's not what we want. We want to get these letters individually. So I'm going to give the split method an argument of an empty string. Now by doing that, see what we have. We have HELLO. So each letter becomes an item in the array. Okay, now what's next? Next, we want to reverse the array of letters. So we can do that using a method in JavaScript. Now we can chain methods. Okay, so we have dot split. I can add dot reverse to it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to say dot reverse like so. Now once I do that, see what happens. The array is reversed. So we have the items in the array has been reversed. So the last letter O now becomes the first letter, and the first letter H now becomes the last letter. All right, so we've now successfully reversed it. Now after reversing, what do? We say we want to join the letters in the array to form a string. So we're going to use a method called .join. Okay, now after joining, what do we see? We have these letters, but they are separated by commas. Okay, and that is not what we are looking for. We want to remove these commas. So the way we're going to do that is to again give this join method an empty string as an argument, like so. Now as you can see, we have the reversed string. Okay, so now we can return final string, and then our function is complete. So I'm just going to copy this and delete the console log. We don't need it again. And I'm going to return I'm going to return final string. Okay, so now let me do a console log of this. Let's see what we are getting. Okay, as you can see, we are getting hole, which is the reverse of hello. All right, so that's it. This is our final solution right here. Okay, now let's run the test and see if it passes all the tests. And as you can see, we pass all the tests. So that's it. All right, so thanks a lot for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'll be going through all of the other challenges of the FreeCodeCamp curriculum. So see you in the next one.